Here with another Chrome extension. This time it is Grammarly. And this is another really easy tool for students to use. I'm continued to be surprised by how many Chrome extensions there are for education. And with Grammarly, I downloaded it, of course, and it's going to be up here like all the others. And I just pulled up a discussion post that I had that I'm creating for our class, and it's perfect, and I can spell check before I posted the board. So, for example, it looks like I have 8 mistakes as I see with like the free version. So if you click here, like I did, you'll see all the mistakes that I could fix. So, like, I'm amazed I could change that because now I just need one spacing. So I click that, and it gets rid of my red airline. Mind-boggling. That needs a hyphen in between or a dash. Hopefully, it appears that you are missing a comma after the introductory phrase. Hopefully, consider adding a comma. So if I want to, which I probably should because punctuation was wrong, I should add a comma. And like that, it's super easy to kind of clean up your writing. And not only does it detect misspellings, there's punctuation, word usage, goes beyond the grammar. And I like it because it works right within Google Docs, which is a lot of kids use Google Docs when they're in school. It's an easy tool to help students correct errors on assignments and papers. And I also like it because it kind of encourages them to take accountability to produce like a good piece of work. And like with Grammarly, that helps them to produce something that's error free, and they can really make it good for a turn in grade. So, and also just gives them more attention to what they need to fix without having to go and search formatting and what's the correct way to do this and that, because Grammarly kind of provides you with all that information right here, all within your Chrome extension too.